Hey all! Welcome to the fourth video of our robotics learning journey. In this video, we will be showing you how to build a thermometer using the BBrain and block-based programming. First, let's talk about what we will be using to build our thermometer. We will be using the BBrain, temperature sensor of BBrain and the display of BBrain, and the codeit app to program the brain. To start, go to codeit app. And congratulations, you guys have completed the creator section where we were using widgets to program. Now let's move to maker section. Here we use block-based programming to create logic and make great projects. First, connect the BBrain to codeit. A brief explanation about connecting is there in the previous video. So if you guys didn't watch it, consider watching it. Now let's start programming. Go to Maker. From the basic section, we will drag the forever do block so as to continue showing the temperature forever or until we stop. Next, from the display section, we will drag and drop the scroll string block. So whatever the text you give inside will be scrolled through the display of the brain. Now we need to create the text. For that we go to text section and drag and drop the create text with block. Inside this we give the temperature value from the temperature sensor. For that, we go to input section and drag and drop get temperature block here. But then, get temperature give us the decimal number and we need only the integer part. So we use the round block to avoid the decimal part. For that, go to number section, drag and drop the round block. For example, if the temperature is 27.35, the round block will give us 27. Now, in the second part of the create text block, we add the text degrees so that the display will scroll like 27 degrees. Now, let's power everything up and test our thermometer. As you can see, the temperature in degrees scrolling through the display. I think it's 31 degrees, right? Yes, it's 31 degrees. Congratulations! You just have built a thermometer using the BBrain and codeit. This is just one of the many projects you can build using the BBrain robotic kit. Stay tuned for more videos where we will be showcasing even more projects using the BBrain robotic kit. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Until that, take care and bye-bye.